I am out here chilling with the boys in the woods, as you can see, and I have basically a match. I'm gonna see if it lights. Let me see if the camera will focus there. I got some like sap. Sup, dude? I got some sap, and yeah, gather around, children. I'm making a match. I'm gonna have to look away from the camera so if this doesn't focus well. I'm sorry.
Don't burn yourself.
Okay, it didn't go so well.
I'm gonna stick it in.
Okay, whoa, it's sizzling. It's sizzling, okay. Well, it's making smoke. Congratulations, I made a very basic match. Ta-da!